Honor Magic V6 is in the house. Let's take our first look at this new foldable. Good day, you beautiful people. I just got back from MWC in Barcelona where I saw so many exciting things, one of which would be Honor's robot phone. There was an actual robot.
Dude has more bodyguards.
And it was in MWC that this also launched. So the Honor Magic V6 is Honor's newest book type foldie, and I'm so excited to check it out because last year's Honor Magic V5 was such a good phone. So without further ado, let's unbox. That's one satisfying fold. There's just something about foldies that make it so satisfying to use. One last time. So the Honor Magic V6, despite having this big old screen, is such a sleek phone. Like when it's folded, it does feel like a typical candy bar phone. It's very sleek and it doesn't feel fragile at all. But what's actually great about this sleek device is that it actually has the biggest battery on a foldable right now. This reps a 6,660 milliamp hour battery. And it's really cool because at MWC, they showed us how thin the batteries are. Like they showed us these batteries that were as thin as playing cards, and that was crazy. Which gives us an insight into how they built this thing. What's even more impressive is that in China, there's a 1 terabyte version of the Honor Magic V6 that has over 7,000 milliamp hour battery. That is crazy. In terms of charging, this does 80-watt wired charging and 66-watt wireless charging. Now, I have the gold version and I love how that looks. Look at how good that is. But this one also comes in white, black, and a very, very pretty red. Got my hands on at MWC. It has this really nice, unique texture to it. Very, very special. And not only are these foldies pretty, they can also perform. The Honor Magic V6 is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. So this phone is right up there with the flagships. Now, let's take a closer look at this phone. Right, that's a good looking outer screen, and I mean, look at how good that is. And it's so thin and sleek. This thing is also IP68 and 69 rated. And like I say in many of my foldie videos, all foldies have creases. And the thing is, when you're actually using this phone as your daily driver, you don't notice it at all. Now, the Honor Magic 6 is supposed to be more durable, not just inside, but also on this outer screen. And you're also supposed to get less reflection on the outside and on the inside as well. Now on that back, you can see there's sort of like a pattern embossed into it, but that whole thing is super smooth. On the camera module, you also get a textured ring, which just looks so good and classy. You get that same look on the hinge of the phone, and everything just all throughout, like it looks like one solid gold piece, at least this color for me. The thickest part of the phone really is that camera bump, and on the right you get your volume rocker unlock button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. At the bottom you get your speakers, USB-C ports, SIM tray, and their speakers up top as well. Now this phone does not only look premium, it feels premium. And again, how premium and cool does it look when you unfold it? And that's also like a nice, very responsive screen right there. The interesting thing about the Honor Magic V6 is that it has features that allow you to use this phone in tandem with Apple products. So there's Honor Connect that allows you to sync notifications between this phone, an iPhone, an iPad, and even get notifications on your Apple Watch. With Honor Workstation, you can even use this as a secondary display for your MacBook. And then there's Honor's one-tap file sharing, which allows you to send photos and videos to your iOS devices with one tap.
In this case, I need to have Honor Connect. I have to download the Honor Connect on Apple device. That's all. Then we can take a picture.
Oh, sorry.
We have our picture. And I can send to my Mac. Import. And we are on the Mac.
Nice. Okay, on to the exciting part. In terms of camera, this phone reps 3 rear cameras, 1 camera in that internal cover screen, and another one up front here. What's exciting to me are those rear cameras. It features a 50 megapixel wide, a 50 megapixel main, and a 64 megapixel periscope camera with 3 times optical zoom. Now, those cameras are what's really exciting for me with this phone. I can't wait to test them out, and there will be another video, probably a camera vlog test on these cameras coming up soon. But in the meantime, with the last week or so that I've had with this phone, I'd say that Honor has put out another impressive foldie. Just by the looks of this phone and form factor alone, I'm very impressed, so I can't wait to test this out more. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what else you'd want to see me try with this phone. Comment down below. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.